The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion die grinder. The most powerful compact cordless die grinder. Best performance to weight ratio. Lightest and most compact. 2-motion on-off switch. Superior ergonomic design. 1/4-inch hardened collet chuck. Bosch lithium-ion batteries, up to 50% longer runtime. Superior cold weather performance and an easy-to-read gauge. Slim pack for lightweight or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion die grinder. From Bosch, power tools for professionals.